I've got a quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to work from home or own your own business? Come on, you know you want that lifestyle, the one that everybody talks about, where you can work from home in your underwear or on the beach with your laptop. So why hasn't it happened for you yet? Come on, you gotta admit it. This isn't the first time you've been looking for a proven way to make money, is it? When is it your turn? My guess is this. You saw someone online promising you riches untold, but there was a catch. Doesn't there always seem to be a catch? You've got to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to get started, right? Before you make any money. Don't they know that that's the reason you're there? Because you need money? Doesn't it seem like that if all those gurus' courses and the software works so good and they really believed in them, why wouldn't they just give you their money-making systems, and then after you've made your money, then they'd get paid? Hi, my name is Russell Brunson, and I'm an internet multimillionaire. And that question was one that somebody asked me about a year ago. Now, at first I was kind of angry, probably because the cheapest coaching program I offered at the time was $5,000. But then I realized he's right. You see, my company name is .com Secrets. You might have seen us on CBS, Fox, or NBC News. Or if you've ever flown on Virgin Airlines, the owner of the company and a multi-billionaire, his name is Richard Branson, put our company name on the side of one of his planes. That's pretty cool, don't you think? Anyway, our company mission is simple. First, to help 100,000 people to make their very first $100 online. Second, to help 10,000 people to finally fire their boss. Third, to help 1,000 people make 6 figures a year. And fourth, to help 100 people to become millionaires. Now, I know these goals are kind of big, but so far we're making great progress. You've probably heard some of our success stories of our students. People like Justin Brooke, or Joy Anderson, or Dee Price, or Russell Viscas, Zan and Jen Spencer, and hundreds of other people who all had ordinary lives and now make full-time incomes from home on the internet thanks to .com Secrets. So with such a big mission and the fact that unlike other people we know that our system works, we decided to do the unthinkable. We took our $5,000 coaching program, we simplified it and improved it, and called it .com Secrets X. And we decided to give it to you for free. Well, it's kind of free. We're going to do what that guy challenged me to do. First, prove to you that it actually works, and then just pays from the profits you make. Does that sound fair? For example, if I were to give you $100, would you give me $10 back? What if I gave you $1,000? Would you give me $100 back? Okay, what about $1 million? Now, I know that probably seems impossible right now, but don't discount it either, because it's happening right now with others just like you. So if you're here right now, then you're in luck. We're doing a few orientation webinars this week to introduce you to this system and give you the tools you need to get started right now. You'll have a chance to look over my shoulder and watch as I make money online. Then just copy what I'm doing. Just for showing up on this webinar, I'm going to give you a free money-making website, even if for some crazy reason you don't decide to do the coaching with us. Now, others have used the same website to create online incomes and fire their bosses, and you're going to get this for free when you attend the webinar. Now, that's my bribe to make sure you actually show up on time. So, what happens next? Well, first you're going to register for the orientation webinar, block out the date and time on your calendar, and make sure you cancel everything else so you don't miss this training. Seriously, take an extended lunch break, hurry home from the office, or put the kids to bed early, but don't miss this. At the end of the webinar, you're going to have the keys and the tools you need to secure your financial freedom forever, and you're going to have me as your own personal mentor and coach. But remember, I'm a coach with a mission, because I don't make any money until you make any money. So I'm going to be there kicking your butt, holding you accountable, and making sure you're successful online. Because while I'm a nice guy, I'm no Mother Teresa, and I want to get paid. Does that sound fair? Now, I guess another question would be, what happens if you don't register for the webinar and instead you do nothing? Well, the answer is nothing. Your life is going to stay the same. You're going to continue to make less than you're actually worth. You're going to have no time or not as much time as you would like to have for your friends or family. And you're going to continue to wonder if this is all your life's going to be. And maybe you're going to come back in 6 months from now, and possibly at that point we're going to be closed to outsiders and we're going to be a private coaching club once again. So I'm going to suggest that you register for this webinar for free right now. Join the community that's dedicated to your success, because we're here to assist you in achieving any goals that you want to create, and we're really good at what we do. So register for the webinar right now, and we'll see you on the other side.